Hello everybody, we are going to introduce a new installation system, and it starts with front flap of the backrest. You'll notice it has Velcro on it, and the back of the backrest has Velcro on it as well. And we just simply remove the protective piece so that the Velcro doesn't stick to everything. Let's go and install it. We're going to start the installation process. The first thing that we need to do is to remove the headrest off of the backrest. So we're going to lean the backrest back a little bit, just because it's so high, the headrest to the top of the cab. We'll lift it, press the buttons, and take them right out of the backrest. And that should complete the first step. Next step is to install the top of the backrest over the existing seat. So we do that like this. It just slides down over everything, nice and easy. Perfect. Next step is to take the tail end of the seat cover and just fold it inside of the backrest, just so it's out of the way, because we're going to do some work that'll require it to be out of the way. So just stick it up behind the pocket. Excellent. Now we're going to go from the front, and we're going to take the front piece of the backrest and slip it through and attach it. So we have Velcro on there. We slide it inside. It's perfect all the way. And it'll hit the back of that bib in the back, and we'll pull it through on the other side. There we go. Perfect. Now from the back of the backrest, we're going to pull that Velcro we slipped through just to tighten the face of the backrest. Go ahead and pull. There you go. It's a little bit more snug. Being pulled through the front piece of the backrest, we're now going to attach it right to the carpeted bib area, exactly like that. It'll hold it nice and firm. We are going to make sure that it holds the cushion really nice in place, sideways and up and down. Now we're going to install the front part of the cushion first. So we're going to slide that over, get it in behind the plastic trim at the front. So to stick that in, and that's right. It's going to catch the other side as well. Next stage is to take the tail end of the cushion cover, which has Velcro on it, and slide it in between the cushion and backrest, just like we did for the front of the backrest before. So just slide that all the way through. Terrific. Let's just get that nice and straight and solid in there. Perfect. Now that we've got the front part done and the rear end of the seat cover cushion done, we're going to now tuck the sides of the seat cover in behind the plastic trim. Our installer is using a small little plastic tool, something you can buy easily on Amazon or even eBay. They're not expensive at all. You can even use a dull putty knife or something, or even your fingers. But that gets it in behind there nice and easy. And we just straighten it out to make sure that everything looks really good. Now that we've pushed the front or the back part of the cushion through to the back part, we're going to pull on it, make sure it's nice and secure, and attach the Velcro right onto that carpeted area. That's perfect. That will secure the cushion and greatly reduce the amount of forward slippage that is problematic with all seat covers in the industry. Okay, we've got another detail that we have to deal with, and that's the bungee cord. We have a loop on this side, and there's another one on the other side near the seat belt over there. We're going to pull that through, push it through, and make sure that we get that in there so we can reach around and just grab that loop. There we are. We've got the loop in this hand. We're going to put a hook on it, and we're then going to just use part of the seating track just to hold it so it doesn't fly away on us. So we're going to stick that into the loop, and then we're going to put it onto the little track back there, and it'll just hold it for us. We're taking the other loop right now, and we're going to pull it around to the back as well. There we go. We're going to put a little S hook on there. Just feed that into the loop. And we're now going to reach under the seat and attach it to the framing that's under there. We'll find a wire or something. That's perfect. And we're going to do the same thing with this one on this side. And we're going to attach it onto part of the seat frame. That'll hold everything together. We're just going to finish up on the cushion and get that tucked in around that little corner. It's all in the details. That's the difference between something looking okay-ish, not looking good, or looking actually pretty darn decent. There we go. We need to just straighten that out. It's all, get rid of any wrinkles. And that is perfect. We'll straighten out the little wrinkle in the middle of the seat, and all of that will get readjusted. Excellent. Okay, to finish off the install of the seat covers, we're just going to pull down the piece that we hid up in behind the mat pocket at the very beginning. And it's got Velcro on it, and we're going to slide everything over and just apply it right there all across. That is excellent. No more hooks, not big ones anyway, and certainly no straps, no buckles. Everything just Velcros right there, and it'll hold everything steady. We're going to show you how we finish off the headrest. You can see on this one on the right hand side, it's already complete. We're going to show you what happens on the left to make that happen. So simply pull that around. It's got a pre-punch section. Tuck it in underneath the plastic, and it looks like a factory finish. That is awesome. Now we're going to reinstall the headrests. So simply line up your posts with the guides built into the backrest. Push the buttons, push your headrest down, and everything will lock into place. Now that we've put everything back on, here's the finished look of the installed seat covers.